I'm so scared because if I announce it, then it's real. Yeah, Rico and I are over.
So guys, ayun na nga. Breaking news, naghiwalay na po si Maris Racal at si Rico Blanco. As usual, pag merong celebrity hiwalayan, laging nakikita sa eksena ang paghihinagpis ng isang babae. No? Habang yung lalaki hindi nakikita sa eksena. Pero anyways, inamin naman ni Maris Racal na siya ang may problema sa paghihiwalay nila. At eto ang statement niya.
Sa 5 years namin Rico together, we were always on the same page. But I don't know what happened to me. Maybe I turned to the next page and saw a new perspective sa life. I have visions of who I want to become, how I want to evolve. I'm so curious about the world, and the truth is, I'm going through changes. I told Rico about it. I told my problems, my issues sa buhay. And he took it like a man. It was a very difficult talk because I love him so much and he loved me. But I have so many questions about my life. How will I go on sa buhay with him when I have so many questions about me and my sense of self? It was very difficult, but it was a very polite separation.
Ganun talaga, emosyonal ang mga babae. Mahirap intindihin ng mga babae, no? Complicated yung mga babae. Samantalang ang mga lalaki naman, napakasimple. Rico, I have a problem with myself. I need to discover more things. I need to evolve. And si Rico Blanco be like, okay. Okay. Ako yung may problema. Kailangan kong hanapin yung sarili ko. Okay. Anyways, kung ano man ang pinagdadaanan nila, kung ano man ang naging desisyon nila, no, respetuhin na lang natin. Saludo sa lahat. Yun lang.